Today, for a change, Georgie is going to cook one of our favorite dishes. Hi everyone, I'm Ger, and welcome back to another episode of The Hard Facts, where every week I track my progress in getting rid of my angina, and where I also give some hard facts about coronary heart disease. And from now on, due to popular demand, we'll be sharing some fantastic recipes, plant-based, low-fat, plant-based recipes prepared by my partner Georgie. If you're new to my channel, I'll just briefly fill you in on how all this came about in the first place. I got a heart attack over 3 years ago, and I had double bypass surgery, open heart surgery. And I get angina occasionally. It's mild, but it's a pain in the ass because it's a reminder, that I still have coronary heart disease, number one, but I'm determined to, find a cure and to reverse this heart disease. So a few months ago, I started the Dr. Esselstyn diet from his book, How to Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease. And I decided to track my progress along the way and share it with you all on YouTube. I got my total cholesterol below 150 and my LDL below 50, which was a major achievement by eating 6 portions of kale every day, sprinkled with a little dab of balsamic vinegar. I'm now heart attack proof, according to Dr. Esselstyn. My blood tests are absolutely fantastic overall. So today I'm going to give the nasty hard facts about coronary heart disease a break. And so without further ado, here's my beloved Georgie making our favorite dish that takes roughly 30 minutes to prepare. So enjoy.
Okay, so today we're making this recipe. It's a Juna pasta. It's called Juna pasta, and it's from Rachel Ama's Vegan Eats cookbook. I love this cookbook. I think she is just amazing. So we're gonna use a tin of jackfruit in brine. We're going to use some liquid aminos, but if you don't have this, you can use some soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, some cherry tomatoes, capers, some oregano and albahaca, basil. I have to translate as well. Garlic, red onion, some agave syrup, and some pasta, and some nori sheet.
And what kind of pasta is?
So all pastas have to be a whole grain. It doesn't matter like which type you like, but they will have to be a whole grain. That's the important bit. And some lemon, and that's about it. So here I'm just showing how to pull at this jackfruit. So this actually it's like chicken, if you like, or like strings of meat, but of course it isn't. So this is how it ends up. It's our lovely jackfruit. Okay, now we're going to break 2 of these nori sheets. So this is really easy. You just do this. And this is so healthy. And now we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. And 2 tablespoons of this coconut liquid aminos. I don't know where you can find this. I had to order it online. But you can put soy sauce, or you can put tamari, because tamari has less salt than soy sauce. and it's equally as good. Okay, and now you just mix it really well. And that's your marinade. And we'll leave this aside and we'll start with the pasta. Done. Now, we will add stock, and it's really simple and delicious. So just a little bit of stock like this, and you leave it heat up a bit.
Do you want me to chop the garlic into small pieces?
Yes, please. Okay, now that is nice and hot. We add the onion. And I always keep stock prepared here to pour some more for our pasta. Yeah, now we're gonna add the garlic. You can add a little bit more stock if you like. There, yeah. Nice. Now, 4 cloves of garlic go in. Okay. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of basil. Oregano and some basil, the same amount. Now, whole grain pasta always takes more to boil than regular pasta, so you have to have that in mind. So for the 2 of us, I'm only gonna use half of this pack. Should be enough.
1 or 2 of these?
1, please. And I just covered it. That's super easy. You just cover it and that's it. What?
Sure, this is delicious thing.
So we're gonna add like 300 grams of tomato sauce, and we're going to also add some cherry tomatoes. Let's see. We're gonna put all the measurements down on the page afterwards for the exact measurements. We're going to add balsamic vinegar. So about 1 tablespoon of balsamic and some agave syrup. I normally put maple syrup, but I don't have. So maybe about a spoon of this. Now we turn the stove a bit down and we're going to add the jackfruit we marinated earlier.
Fabulous, okay.
Yes. And then we're going to also add some capers.
Love the capers.
Yeah, it's delicious in there, isn't it?
It just makes it exotic.
I need to buy more capers right away. And now we're gonna leave this simmer nicely for probably about 15 to 20 minutes.
How long does this take in total, roughly?
It takes about half an hour to make, I'd say. A bit more stock. We're gonna leave it boil. So this is just gonna stay in here and boil nicely. Very low. We'll leave it take its time. Okay, you can turn it off now because this needs to boil for like 15 minutes.
So how long has it been on for now, Rob?
5 minutes.
So it's on just about 5 minutes. Okay.
So it's been on for 12 minutes. And it needs another 2 or 3 minutes. And we're gonna mix it with the pasta as soon as the pasta is ready. And the pasta is nearly ready. We have strained now the pasta. And what we're going to do, we're going to add it to our tomato and jackfruit sauce. And we're going to mix it really nicely through. If you want to take the phone and so we're going to mix it really, really well.
So this is just roughly 15 minutes after.
15,
More.
yeah, maybe 20. This is crazy good.
It is. The sauce is just delicious.
You can also add some olives if you don't have heart disease. You can add some olives as well when you're cooking it.
The black olives, isn't it?
Yes.
Stunning.
That's about it.